Hi guys, I'm Nunu and I'm here in home and I'm reminding you to stay focused in this class. You need to, one, click on modules. It's in the left menu, the second item down, frequently. So here's modules over here. You're clicking on modules, making sure you complete all assignments due each week. We are in week 11 now. Make sure you complete the week 11 work. So I'm going to go ahead and click on modules right here. And I'm going to scroll down to week 11. And we can see all the assignments, links to all the assignments are here in modules. This is how the class is organized. Okay, so I'm in week 11, November 5th through 9th. These were the dates. This is the week. We met on the 5th and the 7th, but this is a complete week. You have 3 assignments here. Let's always look at the due dates. You have something due this Sunday, November 11th. You have something due December 2nd. And you have another assignment due November 11th. So you want to focus on these 2 assignments here, but be aware that this assignment is coming up, okay? So we're always looking at the due dates. I'm going to scroll back up the screen and I'm going to click back on home. And I'm going back to this reminder to stay focused in this class. You need to click on modules, reviewing it frequently, and I just showed you week 11. You also need to review the class notes below. We are now in week 11. Read the week 11 notes to learn what we did in class. I'm going to scroll down the screen now. I'm doing that to week 11. The 2 dates we met, November 5th and 7th. I have the notes here for Monday the 5th, and I have the notes for Wednesday the 7th. Everything we did in the class is right here. Okay. I did want to remind you, and you'll know this as you read through the notes and from what I told you in class, that make sure you're prepared to write about these articles in class when we come back next week, week 12. We began this writing, but you really want to know these articles because these in-class writings are worth a considerable number of points. Okay, I'm scrolling back up the screen here. I'm in home, of course, and I'm going to remind you that here in inbox, you can reach me if you have any questions or concerns. You'll just click on inbox right here. And you'll go to this icon, the pencil and paper. You'll click on it to reach me. You will click on our class, which says theme and why. This is the beginning of that title, why student success rates are so low in the U.S. Excuse me. It's right here. It's fall 16 weeks. So you would click on that to be in the right class. And you can type in the first part of my name. It'll come up. If you have a question, such as about Chapter 2 work, put it in the subject line. Always try to tell me what your question is. Go ahead and type me a message and click on send, and I'll get that message from you. Okay? So I'm going to click here, going back into our class. And I'm going back into home, of course. And I'm reminding you again to stay focused, always look in modules, always read the class notes. And of course, if you have any questions or concerns, I just showed you how to reach me here over the weekend. Okay, have a good and safe weekend and work hard.